YouTube, it's your girl. Okay, I'm back with another video. So in today's video, I'm sure you guys can tell by the title, I am going to be giving you guys a vlog room tour. You guys know it's been months I've been trying to work this out, in addition to, you know, giving you guys like an Impressions Vanity tour and update. But before we get into the video, you guys know what I ask. If you like the content that I post, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell for post notifications, and if you like the video, just like the video. Also, comment down below. You guys know I love engaging with you guys in the comment section. And if you're here watching my videos, you like my content, please support me, help me grow my channel by subscribing. As well as if you guys have any questions, you know, you want to slide in my DMs on Instagram, please don't hesitate to do so. But yeah, let's just get right into it. So this is the part of the room that you guys are accustomed seeing. Shout out to my friend Justin Fashion. I'm going to leave his information tag on the screen. He helped me get like the back set up, like that table over there for my vlog room. And when I was on that, I guess, that journey with him, we talked about, well, I mentioned to him, I'm like, yo, you know what, I'm gonna put like shelves in my vlog room, put my mannequin heads up, have all my wigs there. So I finally got it done, and I'm so super excited about that. I did order some more mannequin heads because I ran out of space. I've never seen anybody do this, but I'm like, if I'm gonna be talking about hair and like makeup, and we talk about like my wigs, then I definitely need to have like my wigs on display all the time. Why not bring the girls out? And I feel like this is long awaited. This is my Vanity, which I love. You guys know it's been like an uphill battle. There's my camera, my makeup case. I have some more stands, like my monitor, my iPad stand. I have one for my camera when I'm on the go, and then I have an extra light that I use when I'm filming in my bathroom. But let's be real, this is what you guys have come here for, is the Vanity. Now this mirror here, I ordered from Amazon. I'm gonna leave it linked down below. It took them 3 tries for me to actually get a black one. They kept sending it in white, but I'm like, everything in my vlog room is black. I don't need white. So I have this rag here, and I try to make my vlog room very like practical, but I have that rag there. Anytime I put anything on the counter, I put that underneath it because I don't want to scratch this glass. As you guys know, I'm gonna slide over here real quick and show you. You guys heard me mention, see that chip? Yep. So I put it in the corner so I don't have to see it because it's an eyesore, but I did reach out to Impressions Vanity. And I'll tell you, I'll update you guys before I go over more of the Vanity. Yes, the mirror's dirty. I gotta clean the mirror. I did my makeup before this look that's on my channel, but I did this look before I went out, and like some of the setting powder got all over the Vanity. So I put in a dispute. After waiting 2 months with the Vanity, I put in a dispute. Impressions Vanity, just like how they take forever to respond, I guess they didn't even realize they didn't respond, and my dispute was approved, and I got all my money back, which was not the goal. And I was like, you know what? I don't need this bad karma, this bad energy. I spoke with my team. They were like, well, no, just leave it alone. I realized that Impressions Vanity didn't realize, but me just being the person that I am, I can't have all this energy and go hard at them, telling them that they need to do this to get this fixed, do that to get that fixed, and not give them the opportunity to fix this issue. So I reached out to them. I let them know that I put in a dispute. I won the dispute. I let them know that where I have the damage, which I showed you guys the chip. I'm gonna lower the light down a little bit so I can show you guys the damage behind the bulbs up close. I actually found another one, but you guys see this right here? That's a crack. This is cracked right here. It's more visible. And then like back here, you can see one right there. And then up top, I noticed, because now I started to look a little bit more, but you guys can see that this is cracked back here as well. I think that's all the ones. You can kind of see imperfections behind like a lot of them, but those are like the main ones that you can see the imperfections behind. But I pretty much reached back out to them and say, you know what, even though my financial institution refunded me back my money, I'm willing to send you guys back the money, because again, I don't need the bad karma. It's not about me getting anything for free. It's just about me getting what I feel as though I paid for. And you know, after going through all that I went through, 3-month-long battle to finally get, you know, the part that I need, but because again, their communication wasn't the best. And I feel as though I've been very understanding, because a month is long enough. If you guys are shipping things out faster than your time period, there's no reason why I don't feel like you should be able to respond to communication. Like to this day, the insurance company has not reached back out to me. Like, how crazy is that? But I digress. So I let them know, I said, you know, I put in a dispute. I won the dispute. The dispute was put in before I got the parts. I'm trying to figure out the order of everything. So I'm like, and you guys didn't respond, and I waited until I got the Vanity all together. That's when I saw like the chip in the glass and the cracks behind the bulbs for the mirror. Like I mentioned to them, I said, that's when you guys asked me if there was any damage, those are not places that I would think to look, so I didn't look there. And I said, I'm willing to send you guys back the money, but you got to replace this glass top and that mirror, because at the end of the day, like, I shouldn't be paying for flaws that I didn't cause. Like, it's no. They responded to that communication within like 5 minutes, and I'm waiting to hear back from them, so I will keep you guys updated as to what happens with that. But let's get right into the rest of the Vanity. So I have this lipstick spinner, I'll leave that link down below, that I purchased from Amazon. I thought I had more lipsticks, but I don't, but I figure I would get more as I go along. I have my lip glosses on top, and like my brow wizard and like a liquid liner here. I do also have this thing that holds my brushes for the time being, because I did order another one from Etsy. Now it has 4 slots, and I tried a black one and it was a little bit bigger, but I just really didn't like the way that it looks, so I ended up sending that back. I got that through Amazon. Yes, my brushes are dirty. Yes, my sponges are dirty. You guys know I like those things dirty. I just love the way it puts on my makeup a little bit better. But I ordered another one that has like 8 slots, and I'm excited for that to get here, because who knows if I'm gonna get more brushes, and this is already full. So as for what's in my Vanity, now I try to be practical. So as you guys heard me mention, when I got this Vanity, the main reason that I got this Vanity is because if I'm gonna be in here doing like hair and makeup, I don't want to know that something spills on this. It's hard to get off. So that's the main reason why I got glass, because I figured it would just be easy just to wipe off. So in here, in the main drawers, I have some eyeshadow palettes in here, like Dose of Colors, Alyssa Edwards, you know, Too Faced, just things that I don't want to say I would use, but I find that they look good in here. These are things that I normally would carry like in my makeup case. In here, I have all my blushes, as you guys can see. I have a ton of MAC stuff. I just love MAC. And this is the highlight. If you guys ever see me talk about it on, like, if you guys, I don't know if you guys can see my glow. Can you guys see my glow? Can you see that glow? That is this. I love this stuff. But I have all like my highlighters in here. NARS Orgasm. This is not dirty. Well, it is dirty. It's just stained from makeup, because it was in my makeup case and stuff like would break and it would just stick to the whatever material it is. And then in this drawer over here, I kind of have like my eyeshadows. There's a hair in here, because why wouldn't there be a hair in here? Because I got like a ton of wigs on my wall. But yeah, so I have like all my eyeshadow. If you guys saw that Get Ready With Me video, I mentioned to you guys, like, I have a ton of like MAC stuff. Like, they should sponsor me. I feel like I can own like a makeup counter. Like, look how many MAC eyeshadows I have. And then all these little like pigments are also by MAC. Now I don't have all the drawers full. Oh, my powder, setting powder. I don't have all the drawers full. But you know, as I get stuff along the way, I figured that I would end up getting it filled up anyway. Now, one of the things I don't like about this Vanity, this drawer is empty. Now I saw someone say, oh well, the drawers are smooth and they go in really easily. Where do you guys see this? Do you guys see that? You have to literally like, see that, for it to like be in flush, and a lot of the drawers are stuck. So I don't know if I just got a lemon from the jump, but my drawers aren't smooth. Like, there's like more than one drawer. Yes, this one, see? And I haven't taken off the stickers yet. See? It's like really hard. I do have like the extra knobs, as you guys know. Like, I got 2 packages for the knobs, and then like this little mirror comes with that mirror, but I'm like, I don't know if I'm gonna use it, so I just have it in this drawer right here. In the last drawer, because there's nothing in these 3. Let me close that. In the last drawer, I have like my HD glue. You guys heard me mention that on my channel. The remover, slick stick for like hairs, and like all these stuff that I would need to like apply a wig or style hair. Alright, so in this drawer, as you guys can tell, I haven't even gotten a chance to take off those stickers. But in this drawer here, I have all like my jewelry and my accessories. If I'm gonna be getting dressed in here, it just makes it easier. Rather than me having to run back to the closet in my bedroom and grab all my accessories, might as well just leave it in the Vanity. This way I can just get dressed from here, as you guys would have noticed if you watch any of my Get Ready With Me videos. And then in the last drawer, I know it doesn't really look like fancy, but again, it's function. So I have a couple packs of wig caps. I have a bunch more in my closet. I just haven't found them just as yet. But I have like my blow dryer, my glove, for when I'm using like my hot iron, some clips, combs, just pretty much anything that I would need in here to like style my hair and apply my wigs. That's what's in this drawer. So that's pretty much what I have in my vanity. So initially I was gonna cancel the dispute once I saw they shipped the parts out, but when I got the box and the box was opened, as you guys saw in that other video, I'm gonna link it down below, I was like, you know what, let me just wait. And that's when I checked the tracking number, realized that they sent me 2 orders. Once I got the second box, I was like, you know what, this is fine. And you know what, something just in the back of my head just told me wait until you set everything up before you even clear out the dispute. And I'm glad that I did, because I would have, like, I don't know if it's just me. Maybe you guys can comment down below and let me know. Like, so I would never really think like the glass would be chipped in the corner and like there'd be cracks behind the mirrors. Like I don't know. Maybe I'm dumb for not looking at that initially, but like I said, I'm willing to send them their money back. It's not about the money. It really isn't. It's just about me getting what I paid for. I just want these parts replaced. I think that's fair. I really do think that's fair. So like I said, let me know what you guys think down below. I heard someone commented on one of my videos saying that I should get like half my money back, and I'm like, well, wait till I tell you guys that I got all my money back. But again, I will give you back your money if you guys replace this glass and replace that mirror. I think that's fair. I think that's definitely fair. But you can't expect, these are the only reason why I got this Vanity, if you guys heard me mention, was for the glass top, for being practical when it comes to cleaning it, and then for the mirror. So if the only reasons why I'm getting it came damaged and you want me to pay for that, but we'll wait and see what they say, and I will come back to you guys and give you one final update. But that wraps up this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.